So ping 10.0.2.4. This is for the what do you call it, the Windows PC. And let's see, as you can see, also is also pinning. So we can see we have successfully pin all this together. So let's close it. Hello guys, I hope you're doing good. Okay, so in our previous tutorials, we have learned how to install virtual environments and also Kali Linux in Windows PC. So today is very simple. I'm going to show you how you can connect these two together and share files. So like you are creating a network on the virtual environment. And the reason why I'm doing this is that if you want to try and get into cybersecurity, you have to do things like penetration testing on the virtual environment so that you don't break the law. You get me? You can, for instance, I can use this Kali to hack this Windows PC. It's all form of learning. You get me? So if you want to get to cybersecurity and then you don't have money to buy you don't have to buy it. You just need this virtual environment and with different kind of PCs. So now let's turn our machines on. Before that, you have to create a network. So in order to create a network on a virtual environment, what you need to do is you go on these tools and there are some tabs here. Just click on that tab. I've already created one now. Let me remove it. Let's create together. Okay, so when you come to NAT network, I'll just click on create network and you can see the network is here enabled, and I'll not do anything again. So we have our this will be our routing IP address. So this is our starting IP address. Get me 0.0, so it's 10.0.2.0/24. Okay, so now we need to set these two PCs on that network. So in order to do that, I'll just click on this Kali. I'll go on settings, then I'll move on to network. There's a different kind of networks here. Again, NAT network, and then it will show the number of networks do you have. Again, I've created only one. Okay, and also let me show you something here. Let me show you something here. When you come here, you can see there's enable DHCP. This is the dynamic host control protocol. So this one, when you enable this, all the IP addresses will be assigned automatically to these PCs. So I just don't need to do a static IP address. So I just want it to assign automatically. So that's it. This is just for demonstration purpose. Okay, so now let's go back to our Kali settings, move on to network, and select NAT network, and your network will come. Then you click on this NAT network and then select OK. So we have connected this PC to our network we have created. Then let's move on to this Windows PC. I'll go on settings, NAT network, and then the same, select it. So if you are just lost, I have video on the description. In the description for how to install this virtual environment, how to install this Kali and this Windows PC. So you can just check it out before you come to this tutorial. So now let's turn on our PC. I'll just turn on the Kali and then I'll turn on the Windows 10. Okay, so now let's check our PCs are on. So this our Linux is on. So what I'll do is I'll just check the IP address and see this. You remember this is our the network. Our network starts 10.0.2.0. So this IP address is on our network. You get me? So this is our broadcast IP address. So the Linux address is 0.15. So now let's check the Windows Windows, we search for cmd and then ipconfig. Oh, sorry, there's no space. Okay, so the IP is 0.4. So now you can see from this Linux. So let me show you. The Linux IPA will give you all the details of your IP address, and for Windows ipconfig will give you your IP address. Okay, basically we are just ignore everything you see here. This is a local host address, and this is the Docker. So don't worry about. We are only concentrate on this IP address. You get me? Okay. So now it means we have successfully connected these two network to one. These two PCs to one network. You get me? So now let's try and ping and see if we can connect to the other servers. So let's ping the Linux from this PC and let's see if it has successfully connected. Let's see. So ping is just to check whether it's a command used in the network to check whether you have connection between two devices. So remember that the Linux is 0.2.15. This is the IP address of the Linux. So you press enter, and as you can see, there's a reply. So it's up and running. You get me? So now then we can say that we have successfully connected to this network. So now the other way around, let's try and check. Let's try and ping from this side. So ping then 0.2.4. This is for the what do you call it? The Windows PC. And let's see. As you can see, also is also pinging. So we can see we have successfully ping all this together. So let's close it. Let's close the network. So basically, this is a short tutorial to show you how to connect two PC on the same network on a virtual environment. And I hope you enjoy it. If you encounter any error, just let me know and then we'll go through it. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.